chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. I'm going to tell you the ingredients you will need for today. You will need vanilla, cinnamon, butter, chocolate chips, brown sugar, an egg, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and oatmeal, and flour. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna beat our butter and sugars till smooth. Now we're gonna beat them together until they're smooth. Okay, now we're gonna add our egg and vanilla. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. One, two. Now we're gonna mix that together about for 2 minutes. That's been about 2 minutes, so now we're gonna mix in our other ingredients. Okay, now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix it on medium speed. That looks good. Now we're gonna put in our oatmeal. Now we're gonna mix that until it dough comes together. Okay, it looks like our dough's coming together, so we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. Okay, we're gonna throw it in the the fridge for 30 minutes, but let's get this all cleaned off. Our oven's heated at 375, so let's get those cookies in there. These have been in there for about 30 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna scoop it with a scooper and put it on our sheet. Okay, we're gonna throw these in the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. Let's get cooking! We're cooking on the oven right now. The oven's done. Let's see if the cookies are good. Let's see. What do you think, Dad?
Say cook them longer.
Okay, how about 2 more minutes? But I'm here. Nobody's there, but I'm here. Hey guys, look. Okay, now we're gonna pull them out of the oven. Those cookies look good. These have to be some really good cookies. I'm gonna take them off and then maybe we'll get to try them later. Thanks for watching Cooking with Landry. Don't forget to push like and subscribe.